Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kakenhun ruai ke balapau nambha omtang hapok ke jela Meghalaya. Henrei shabar jong ke jela bat kumjuru shabar jong geri India. Ka Aroha choir ha ka khat pratarik mentau benai nok pra arjar arpulai. Kala rakhi ya ka advance Christmas dagaba penlong ya ka concert ha old guest house jong ke school ba Northeastern Hill University Shillong. Hagani ke janme la yo ya ke jingruai Christmas but ya ki wei jingruai nagi Khynah ka Aroha choir ha ka bala sakhi lang daki kme ki pa jong ki Khynah ki bala shobit ya ki sur Thiang ki bami na ki rendang ba jong ki khon ki khti jong ki habaya kren bat ka kong Pauline Wargery kala itu ba ka jing penlong ya ka concert ka day bahadien jong ka COVID-19 ki Khynah ki klem yo lat shu ban penlong ya ki no ki concert Henrei mentau snem kila yo ban penpau ya ka sap ruai jong ki lengba kane ka concert.
He's often overlooked or merely mentioned, along with Rudolph, Frosty the Snowman, Santa Claus, and other fictional characters. Getting ready for Christmas can be a lot of work. With the pressure of buying gifts, decorating our homes, cooking and cleaning, we have little time to actually enjoy the meaning of Christmas. However, Christmas is a time for celebration. Luke chapter 2 verses 10. The angel told the shepherds, I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all people. God took the initiative to send Jesus so we would understand our need for him and his love for us. Until Jesus arrived, our understanding of God's love was limited. He wanted to communicate with us, so he became one of us. He didn't send an angel, a prophet, a politician, or an ambassador. He came himself. You were created as an object of God's love. He made you in order to love you. His love is the reason we are alive. Let us pause to consider whether we have made our peace with God and whether we have accepted his gift of love, his gift of eternal life.
ka Christmas concert nakaliang jong ka Aroha choir bat ka Aroha music school ka kentup ikinong ruai di kini kinong ruai ki bon ki sap ki dan ki batam gitar ki dan ki batam violin ki dan di hai kin peni te ki sap ki pong ladangin perlong kum kini ki concert kan di ki mi ki pat ki le shitam di kalong kai bosuk tenak bawat la ki bon ki program ta sniru re ki wan ki lok pujor ki wan ki ki pa bagini ki kena ki balai trishitam bang osisnem ki yo ban peni kan ki ki lale ki la minot di kalau ke bos tenak bangi kendo kumni ya kidan ki be desha kidan be de putaro ki be de do sniang dan be itu parlok mai de kani kalau ke ba semua tenak bangi su ni la ban le shi sin chisnem ti ka message kalau kumni ba ujisu ulawan kum ubreu syakani ka perthai pat kalong ke ba mayan ngin de super khat kum tur namar bingilai osngo than ngim khain dor shu ya kata ka khobor ko jisu udan nam ta jingi baro bat ngasngo komen bahkan ka kun hon jingi kam de tang na ke breu ne shalong la ni nakani ka state ki bon ki officer ki bawan shini ki mamde ki kastan ro ki batre ka army la ni ki air force la ni ki batre ki nu ni jing tre ki pa ki ha batre lemba ka ni ka ri bro ko we ki pha ni ki khon jung ki but ngaju pun sngoi ki ba ka khubor ka jongi ki kristan ka bawan ka ktir ko ble kalau bo jisu wan pen im hato phi sngo thod ya kata ki ong em ngim sngo thod ni sngo tenat bat ki khna ki tip singi ki yo sngo ko mi ka ni ka khubor ti ki bun ni hikai ki ni ki khubor ki ba ble u ai ling ba ki jing ruai kan kalong ke ka ba ni pen sngo tho bo jisu wan ai ngi ya ka jing im ko bom jukut but tang jisu bala ban ma bi ki pop jingi ma ula yap na kam ta jingi ti kalong ka jingkermen ka bakrao pa hakane ka kunhon jingi ndi tang ki ba ruspa ki bawan ki don ru ki bam dala than kamtam ki kunhon ki ba kam chua ki don ki khna ki bayar ab ngi ki pa ki kon ru bat lemba ka discipline ba ki yo na ka badon hakane ka kwaya ki kira asyaka jing pule puti bat haduk menta kasngir kidan kiti ki bawan nak ki kenhon ke berim ki bal along beri man beri ki bal aya tre syaba teng itnat ken kalong kum ke jing rakhe ya ka ke ke ba uble ul ai te so tin iya kan ka kenhon jingi inde tang berus pa u baduk ndre badon sap dan ubam dadan sap than ru ndre ki kwa ban nang te ban nang ban royal ni ban tem ti buat lagi kimia be asya kata ka jing kamai haka ruai nek ka disiplin ke begiyo kay rabi ki ka kam ka jam kiru terima kasih kalau ke jing rakhi ya kataru